Welcome, today I'm showing you how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power key into a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings, this one. Tap it, and here in this menu, choose Gangster Shortcuts option. And first option on the list will be Launch Google Assistant. Go into this option, and here we got activate this option, so for unlink Google Assistant from Power key, tap on one more time, and this position of switcher is disabled, this option. If you want to activate, this position like blue is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.